Hello, I'm Jeannette, founder and president of the International Association of Professional Life Coaches. And today I have a video tip for you about goal setting. So what kind of goals are you setting for yourself? When you start to set goals, whether it be at the beginning of the year or beginning of a quarter, for the next 90 days or even the next 30 days, most people tend to set goals that are tactics. And what you want to do, though, is to set a goal that is outcome focused. So you want a goal that's going to reach an outcome. Now, let me tell you the difference between these two. Tactic goals are things like setting up a new podcast, developing a new product, updating your website, or creating a new lead magnet. But those are tactical goals, and they are they're not as easy to focus on as an outcome goal. An outcome goal gets you more excited because they're things like getting 10 new clients, or adding 1,000 new subscribers to your list, or adding 100 new members to your membership. And so those kinds of outcome goals are easier to focus on, and they give you more of the big picture. And you want to have a big picture goal to focus on, and then the other things like creating a podcast or updating your website or things like that are the tactics that you're going to use to reach your outcome goal. And anything that doesn't help you reach that goal, you shouldn't bother with. So for instance, is updating your website going to get you 10 new clients in the next 90 days? Probably not. But what about starting a podcast? Would that get you 10 new clients in the next 90 days? Well, that's a possibility. And what you could do is break it down into sub-goals, such as getting 300 new listeners a week to your podcast. And out of those 300 listeners, to set a goal of getting maybe 50 of them to subscribe to your list. And then out of those 50, maybe you'll try to get 5 to 8 free consults from that, conversations with people. And then from those conversations, converting 2 or 3 of those into clients. And if you do that for 3 months, you'll have your 10 new clients. So this is a better way to set goals. And so I challenge you to set some, or even just one outcome goal, and then some sub-goals that will be the tactics that you're going to use to reach that goal. So the bottom line is that your outcome goals are what you want to focus on, not the process involved in getting there. Hope that was helpful.